How to use Calendly tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are someone that needs a tool to manage their time and to be able to book appointments as well as send reminders, then Calendly is your all-in-one scheduling tool, which can serve you in multiple different ways. It's one tool that makes it really simple and easy to schedule everything. You can connect your calendars, add availability, connect your conferencing tools, customize to different event types, and share your scheduling links. So let's get started with Calendly. To get started, simply click on Get Started on the top right. From here, you can sign up for your Calendly account via your email address, or you can use Google or Microsoft. Today, I'm going to be using Google to get started with my new Calendly account. So we're going to click on Sign Up with Google, and then after that, I'm going to select my Google account. Once I do that, it's going to ask me for permissions, and I'm just going to click on Continue. Now, when I'm creating my account using Google and using Google as a direct connection, I can easily sync my Google Calendar. This makes sure that I don't have any collisions or any double bookings for my Google Calendar and my Calendly calendar. Then I'm just going to click on Continue over here, and once I do, I can proceed. Now that we have logged on, we can proceed with how we're looking to use Calendly. So I want to be using Calendly on my own. Primary role is going to be in other. Let's say I am a makeup artist. And then I'm going to click on Next. Once I do that, I'm going to proceed with linking my Google Calendar. This has been linked, but if you want to add another Google Calendar, you can click on Use a different calendar and connect your Outlook, Google, or Exchange calendar. After that, you can check for conflicts. You can click on Edit and uncheck this option if you do not want to check for any conflicts between your Google Calendar and Calendly. But I do want to make sure that I don't have any conflicts with any of my personal stuff and my Calendly appointments. Then after that, I want to automatically sync Calendly cancellations and reschedules from this calendar to Calendly. Then after that, I'm going to set up my weekly hours. Now, because I'm setting up this Calendly as my makeup artist portfolio, I am going to be available 7 days a week. However, within my 7 days a week, I am going to be available 9 to 5, which is fine. These would be my regular timings. Or if you have a 24-hour business, you can even add that. So you can click on 12 a.m. and then 11:45 p.m. and that's basically going to be a 24-hour business, and you can replicate these throughout the entire week. Let's say we are available throughout these times for the weekends, but after that, other than the weekends, we're available 9 to 5. After that, you're going to select your time zone because that is going to be what is used to schedule your appointments. Then you're going to click on Next and move forward with your next step. Now, this is going to define how you would like to meet people, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, phone calls, or in person. If you want, you can proceed with Google Meet or Microsoft Teams. Let's say for us, we have a location. So let's say this is going to be whatever location it is. So we're just going to define that as Street 95 H12, and we're just going to click on Continue. And just like so, our Calendly account has been created. Now that our Calendly account has been created, a default meeting is created, which is a 30-minute meeting. However, this is not something that I am going to be offering, so I'm going to remove it. And we're going to remove the Get Started panel from the right as well. Now, over here, I want to delete this type of event, and I'm going to start adding my own types of events. To add those, you can click on Event Types and then New Event Type. Now, you have different types of events you can add, whether it's one-on-one, group, or round robin, where you have rotating hosts where you distribute meetings between different team members. You also have collective meetings as well as one-off and meeting polls. Now, I want to create a one-on-one meeting or event type, and once we do that, we can choose when the meeting is, the location, as well as a note, and the availability for that type of meeting. Let's say this is going to be my glam makeup booking, and the duration for my glam makeup, let's say we take 60 minutes, and I want the invitee, I want to ask the invitee for the location. I'm just going to add a star here. The invitee can type any response which will be used as the location on confirmation. So this basically means that I'm going to be providing services for people where I'm going to be coming to them to do their makeup. Then we have the availability, and this is going to be our standard availability that is going to be added. You can click on custom schedule to add your own custom schedule if you are providing services that are different to your regular bookings. Then you are going to click on create, and people can book you or schedule you for this type of meeting. Now, this is what your basic booking page is going to look like. Once we've created our first meeting, we can click on the meeting section to see any upcoming, pending, or past meetings. And then below that, we will have our general availability. However, you can also schedule meetings outside of these specific work hours and build your own side hustle as well. You can click on create schedule and create your schedule for the other thing that you are doing and provide those services directly from Calendly as well. Then you have contacts, which basically means that whenever someone books a meeting, you're able to save them as a contact. Then you also have workflows, which allow you to automate your meeting confirmations, cancellations, and more. You can click on add workflow to add email reminders, message reminders, and more. You can also text cancellation notifications to yourself, as well as add other types of reminders, but some of these features are available on the premium version only. Below that, you also have analytics and then your general help center. Now that we have designed our basics for our Calendly account, we do want to start our customizations. So you click on your top right and you can click on my link, and this is what your Calendly URL is going to look like. Then you can click on save to save your Calendly URL. You can click on your profile to upload your own picture, your own welcome message, as well as add your own branding by going into the branding section. From here, you can apply a logo and apply this logo to all users within your Calendly account. This means that even if you have multiple employees working, you still would have a cohesive look. Now, this is what our Calendly booking page currently looks like, and it's a really simple and basic booking page with only one type of event, and then people can book us. If you want to customize, you can click on the top right and you can click on add to website and add this Calendly booking tool in your own website in the form of an inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. That's totally up to your personal preferences. Now, Calendly has a free version where you can create one event type and connect to one calendar, customize your availability, and customize your booking page. However, on their standard plan for only $10 per seat per month, which means $10 per user per month, you can add unlimited event types, connect multiple calendars, and connect email marketing tools like HubSpot and MailChimp as well. Not only that, but you can add payment processors like Stripe and PayPal to start accepting payments with your Calendly booking tool. After that, you have the $16 Teams plan, which allows you to send meetings to Salesforce and do round-robin meetings as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.